In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add chat apps to Wix website. First, start by signing into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com, log in, and from your My Sites dashboard, pick the website where you want to add a chat feature. If you manage multiple sites, double check you've selected the correct one so you're editing the right project. Next, open the Wix editor by clicking Edit Site. This brings you into the visual canvas where you can see your pages and design. Give it a moment to load. The editor is where all the customization happens. On the left-hand toolbar, look for the App Market icon. This is Wix's library of tools that plug into your website. Click it to open the App Market. Think of this as your one-stop shop for adding features like chat, forms, analytics, and more. Now, search for chat apps. You can type keywords like chat, live chat, or the name of a specific service in the search bar, or browse the chat and messaging category. Popular choices include Wix Chat for a native, easy setup, and third-party tools like TDO for automation and multi-channel messaging. To make this easier, I've placed a link to the Wix App Market and direct links to a couple of popular chat apps right at the top of the description. Open those if you want to follow along or compare options. When you find the app you like, click it, then choose Add to Site. Wix will handle the installation, and you'll see prompts to complete basic setup. For third-party apps, you might be asked to create or connect an account. Follow the on-screen steps, and watch for options like choosing which pages to show the chat on, and where it appears on the screen. Once it's added, open the app's settings panel to configure it. Customize the appearance to match your brand, colors, fonts, and the chat icon style. Set a friendly welcome message so visitors know how to start a conversation, and define your availability hours so your status displays accurately. Turn on notifications so you never miss a message, and if available, set up quick replies or automated greetings to save time. Preview your site to test the chat, then check it on mobile view to ensure it looks good and is easy to tap. When everything feels right, publish your changes and visit your live site in a private or incognito window to simulate a new visitor and make sure the chat opens and messages sent properly. That's it. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and thanks for watching.